Good afternoon. Good afternoon. I'm going to give everyone an opportunity to come in. I am Sheikah Petaway, CEO, Chief Encouraging Officer of Elite Educational Enterprises, a professional development training company where we inform, inspire, and empower educators through training. And so I'm excited today to come and be live, to be able to speak to you all from a subject that is very popular with our company, and that's the Director Credential, becoming a child care director in Texas. And so I'm going to give you a moment to share. I'm going to give you a moment to share this video. I'm going to share my screen, and I'm going to talk to you all about the director program and the benefits of taking this program through Elite Educational Enterprises, what we have to offer, and how we can help you become a child care director. And so if you have any questions, the comments are is open, and we're excited to be able to assist and assess this situation and be able to share in details what our course have to offer for the director class. And so if you just take a moment and look in the details of this video, I have some details listed, a pre-enrollment survey. If you're considering taking this course, we always encourage them to do the survey, the enrollment survey, so you can see if you qualify, because there is qualifications about the course. I don't want to get ahead of myself, and so I want to just kind of talk about what is a director credential. Is it the Texas Director Credential? Is it a Child Care Administrative Credential? Both is the same. Different agencies use different words to describe their certification program. We call ours a Child Care Administrative Credential, which is the same as, also known as a Texas Director Credential. This credential allows you to be able to operate a licensed child care center, in-home. Anything that's licensed will require, any program that's licensed will require a director credential. For that director, that overseer of the program should have this credential. Now, there are enrollment requirements for this class. You have to be 21 years old or older. Yes, you have to be 21 to take this class, and to fall in that director category, to be that head manager. Your education must have high school diploma or equivalent, GED, college transcripts. You must be able to have 2 years experience. 2 years experience is very important. Now, let's talk about that experience. That experience needs to be in a licensed facility, group home, anything that's regulated, that work with young children in the school system, ISDs. We will consider all of that as experience. And so having that experience with that age group, or that a group of children, being able to prove that you've governed children of any magnitude. If you were just a teacher, 2 years experience, and you can prove that with a resume, a letter from a previous employer, things like that. And you also have to be CPR and first aid certified. And so we do offer that course. And if you're in the Dallas or the Houston area, you can just go to www.eliteresultsnow.com/CPR, and there's a list of courses to choose from for CPR. And so that's the enrollment requirements. Who should take this course? Anyone that's inspiring to open a daycare or manage a daycare, any assistant director, any admin in the facility should definitely consider taking this course. This course is packed with powerful principles of management and leadership that will help set any level manager on track to be able to run a facility with the knowledge and the skill sets from this course. And so let's talk about that in detail. What will you learn when being a part of our Director Credential course. I mean, you'll learn roles and responsibilities. Definitely, we're going to go over some childcare essentials, time management, budgeting. You'll learn organizational leadership skills, financial management, staff management, hiring and termination of employees, family, how to deal with families in a community, how to get their support, compliance with licensing, increase in enrollment, and developing your center as a manager. And so this course also comes with a free workbook that you work through the course in the workbook together to be able to really be sufficient and effective within the course. And so you can take this course. A lot of people love our online portion because you can take it online or you can take it live with an instructor. And so the online portion is so much fun, and it's so intentional. There's different things that we've now expanded and developed with this course, from audios to visual aspects and interactions to make it more interactive for our users. So I do encourage you, if you don't have the time to do the course, try online. You get 24-hour access. Right? So when you get off work, you can do it. You can also do it from any device. So even on your lunch break, you can log in and do part of your course. And you can also do it live. So if you are free on a specific day, we have a calendar of events that happen where we have a live instructor. You'll be able to log in and take the Texas Director course. I want to thank you for watching this video, watching this live. Go into the comments if you have questions. We're here to help, we're here to serve, and we're here to share this journey. At Elite, we have so many different trainers from diverse backgrounds that help us create a community and a culture of education and preparation for directors. So we take our knowledge and our skills and we pour it into our courses. So I do encourage you to take the course. Take the next step to further your career, especially if you're an aspiring manager that would like to be a director. You can always call our office at 713-661-3133 at any time. If we're not in, leave a message. We'll get back to you before 15 to 24 hours, because we definitely want to be able to answer your questions and help you along in your journey. You all have a wonderful afternoon.